Hello children, today we read some question bank of class 8 subject science chapter first. First question है हमारा which agricultural practice is carried out with the help of sickle? A sickle is hand-held agricultural tool used for harvesting or reaping crops. Question number second. What name is given to the cutting and gathering of a food crop like wheat and paddy? The cutting and gathering of mature food crop like wheat and paddy is known as harvesting. Question number third. Name the process of beating out the grains from harvested crops. The process of beating out the grain from harvested crops plant is called threshing. Question number 4. Name the machine used in recovering the grain from already cut crop. A machine called combine is used for harvesting and threshing. Cutting off and standing crops and recovering grain. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 है नेम द प्रोसेस इन विच grains are separated from chaff and hay with the help of wind. The process in which grains are separated from the chaff with the help of wind is called winnowing. Question number 6. Name 3 food materials obtained from animals. The food materials that we obtain from animals are milk, meat and egg. Question number 7. What name is given to the branch of agriculture which deals with feeding, shelter, health and breeding of domestic animals? Which branch of agriculture? The branch of agriculture which deals with feeding, shelter, health and breeding of domestic animal is called animal husbandry. Question number 8. Which crop is generally grown between two cereal crops in crop rotation to restore the fertility of soil? So it is leguminous crop. Leguminous crop like pulses, beans, peas are generally grown between two cereal crops in crop rotation to restore the fertility of soil. Question number 9. State one advantage of growing a leguminous crop between two cereal crops. Rotation of crop, leguminous and non-leguminous crop in the same field replenishes the soil with nitrogen naturally and increase the soil fertility. Questions number 10. Name the nitrogen fixing bacteria present in root noodles of leguminous plant. Which bacteria? The nitrogen fixing bacteria present in root noodles of leguminous plant is Rhizobium bacteria. It is It is rhizobium bacteria which present in noodles of leguminous plant. Question number 11. Which is the first step in cultivation of crop? The preparation of soil is the first step of cultivation of crop. Question number 12. What purpose is a hoe used? It is a simple tool which is used for removing weeds and for loosening the soil. Question number 13. Name the implement used in sowing. The implement used for sowing is drill. Question number 14. Name the practice used for cultivating paddy. The practice used for cultivating paddy is transplantation. Transplantation. What do you mean by transplantation? The practice used for cultivating paddy is known as transplantation. Question number 15. Name the two types of substances which are added to the fields by the farmer to maintain the fertility of soil. These two substances are manure and fertilizer are added to the field by the farmers to maintain the fertility of soil. What is agriculture? Cultivation of plants and rearing of animals for food and other beneficial items is called agriculture. What is crop? When plants of the same kind are grown and cultivated at a one place on large scale is called crop. Question 18. What are the main types of crop in India? There are two types of crops in India. For example, Kharif crops and Rabi crops. क्वेश्चन नंबर हमारा 18 है. 18 के बाद 19 आना चाहिए और इसमें आ रहा है 28. इट्स ओके. Let's start question number 28. What is the difference between Kharif and Rabi? Kharif, Rabi. These crops are grown during rainy season. These crops are